Welcome to Premath. In this video tutorial, we have got these three rectangles as you can see in this figure, such that the area of this purple shaded region is 36 square units, whereas the area of this yellow shaded region is 26 square units. And now we are going to find the area of this green rectangle. And furthermore, these are our side lengths of these rectangles, as you can see in this figure as well. So let's go ahead and get started with the solution. And here's our very first step. Let's focus on this whole purple rectangle that I have shaded over here. Let's go ahead and calculate the area of this whole purple rectangle. And here's the area of a rectangle formula. Area equals to length times width. In our case, the length and the width of this purple rectangle is 8 and 7. So let's go ahead and find the area of this purple rectangle. That's going to be 8 times 7. That is going to give us 56. But we know that the area of this purple shaded region is 36. So therefore the area of this green shaded region is going to be, the total area is 56 minus 36. So that means this shaded green region is going to be 20. So therefore this area, this side is going to be 20 square units. And here's our next step. Let's go ahead and focus on this whole yellow rectangle that I have shaded in the blue. Now let's go ahead and calculate the area of this yellow rectangle, and we know the area of a rectangle formula. Area equals to length times width. In our case, the length and the width of this whole yellow rectangles are 7 and 6. So let's go ahead and write down the area. Area is going to be equal to 7 times 6. That is going to give us 42. But we know that the area of this yellow shaded region is 26. So therefore the area of this green shaded rectangle is going to be simply area equal to this 42 minus 26, and that is going to give us 16. So thus the area of this green shaded rectangle is going to be 16. And here's our next step. Let's focus on this tiny rectangle in the middle. And let me go ahead and label its side. I'm going to label this side as an X and this side as Y. And now we are going to find the value of X and the value of Y. And now in this next step, let's focus on this green shaded rectangle, the bottom left. As you can see over here, we know that this side length is 2. So this side length has got to be 2 as well. And we know that this side length is 2. So this side length has got to be 2 as well. So therefore this whole side length is going to be Y plus 2. So I can write Y plus 2 over here on this side. And about this one, this side length is going to be X plus 2. So I can write X plus 2 over here. And now we are going to calculate the area of this green shaded rectangle. And we know the area of a rectangle formula is area equals to length times width. So the area of this green shaded rectangle is going to be this length times width. That's going to be simply X plus 2 times Y plus 2. But we know that the area of this green shaded rectangle is 16. So I can write 16 equal to X plus 2 times Y plus 2. Now let's go ahead and use a FOIL method, double distribution. We are going to this double distribution. So 16 equals to x times y plus 2x plus 2y plus 4. Now let's go ahead and move 4 on the other side, and as a result we got 12 equal to xy plus 2x plus 2y. Let me go ahead and rearrange this thing. I'm going to write the other way around. I'm going to write 2x plus 2y plus xy equals to 12, and let me go ahead and call this equation as an equation number 1. Now let's focus on this top right green shaded rectangle, as you can see over here. And we know that this side length is 3, so this side length has got to be 3 as well. And we know that this side length is 2 this side, so this has got to be 2 as well. So thus this whole side length is going to be simply x plus 2 is going to make a x plus 2. Likewise, on this side length is going to be y plus 3. So I can write y plus 3. And now we want to find the area of this shaded green rectangle, and we know its side lengths are x plus 2 and y plus 3. So thus the area of this green shaded rectangle is going to be length times width. So that is going to be x plus 2 times y plus 3. And we know the area of this shaded rectangle is 20. So I can replace this area. 20 equals to x plus 2 times y plus 3. Now let's go ahead and use the FOIL method or double distribution. We are going to do this way. So that is going to give us 20 equal to x times y plus 3x plus 2y plus 6. And here everything has been simplified to 3x plus 2y plus xy equal to 14. Let me go ahead and tweak this equation. I can write this 3x as x plus 2x plus 2y plus xy equal to 14. As we can see that our 2x plus 2y plus xy equals to 12, I'm going to replace this part by 12. So therefore our equation is going to become x plus 12 equal to 14. Let's subtract 12 from both sides. So that means this is gone. So that means our x value turns out to be 2. So thus we figured out our x value as 2. Now we are going to find the y value, and now we are going to plug it in this x equal to 2 value over here by 2 in this equation. So thus we're going to get 20 equal to, here I'm going to replace x by 2. So 2 plus 2 times y plus 3. And here I have simplified these equations, and our y value turns out to be 2, as you can see. So thus our x value turns out to be 2 and y value is 2 as well. So thus this x value is 2 and this y value is 2 as well. Now let's go ahead and find the length and width of this green rectangle. So this side length is going to be 2 plus 2 is 4. So this whole length is going to be 4 plus 2 is 6. Likewise, this length is 2 plus 3 is 5. So this whole length of this green rectangle is going to be 5 plus 2 is going to be 7. So thus the dimensions of this green rectangle turns out to be 6 and 7. So thus the area of this green rectangle is going to be, we are going to use this formula. So area equals to length times width. So this has got to be 6 times 7. So area turns out to be 42 square units. So thus the area of this green rectangle turns out to be a 42 square units, and that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.